Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys have already read by the title. Yes, I'll be talking about some common fashion mistakes that we all tend to do in our day-to-day lives. It's not that I am perfect. I too did a lot of these mistakes and I'm just learning from it one by one and then I'm sharing it with you all. So yes guys, without any further ado, let's begin with the video. Okay, so before starting with the video, I want to tell you guys that some of these are not like mistakes, but then they just don't look good, like they just look really weird, and that's why they come under the category of fashion mistakes. Yes, nobody like goes and searches on YouTube or anywhere like what are the common fashion mistakes. I think so because they all have this thought that this is the kind of fashion that I like and this is how I'm gonna dress it. This is my style, my personal style. But whatever your personal style is, these mistakes can happen in them. So let's see what are these mistakes. Firstly, we have wearing the wrong colored cami or vest inside your white t-shirt. Yes, inside your white t-shirt, basically we all think that because we are wearing something white, we are supposed to wear a inner way white, which is very wrong, because we are not supposed to wear white because white is already a little transparent. If your shirt is more transparent, don't ever prefer to wear anything white inside because it's just gonna highlight the innerwear more and the dress is just gonna look really weird. That's the point here. That's a common fashion mistake. So prefer wearing something of the same skin tone, like something new. Just go with the new. Just don't wear it like this. It's just gonna look really weird. It's like you just want to show what you're wearing inside, like. And moving on to a second fashion mistake, usually I've seen a lot of women do this, a lot of girls do this. I don't know why do they do this, but it just icks me out. This is like very icky for me. It's wearing nude leggings. It's the same color of their skin tone and they still wear it. It just looks like they're not wearing anything underneath. Like, why do you even wear it? It just looks really weird, guys. So if you want a outfit to like outstand, just buy a black one and wear it for everything. It's okay, but just don't get nude leggings at all. No, I mean, if you're just wearing something like long, or especially if you're wearing something side slit and you're wearing something nude. So if you have one, just get rid of it. Just please. Also, the next common fashion mistake that we all do is wearing too much jewelry. Yes, a lot of us don't wear jewelry on a regular basis. We just keep this jewelry aside for special events and we think that okay, this is a special event, let's wear all of it. And you just wear a very chunky necklace, a very heavy earrings, everything chunky, everything very heavy, and your outfit just does not match with it. Like, your outfit is also supposed to give certain credit for your looks. It should not be just the jewelry. Like, it's just not gonna make sense if you just wear something heavy on the neck and on the ears. So just balance it. If you're wearing something heavy on the ears, go lighter on your neck. And if you're wearing a very thick choker or anything, you can just go light on your ears. That's how you can just balance your look. So yes, moving on to our next fashion mistake. Most of you all do this, like even I do this, so I'm a little bit guilty. Yes, I mean, this is a really common fashion mistake actually, but I think this is a common fashion mistake because I have not seen anyone say this. I don't know, I'm just saying it. See, following the trend. Yes, following the trend is also a fashion mistake for me because let me tell you, nowadays you have seen these baggy fitted jeans a lot. Like, people are not even wearing skinny jeans. They've forgotten that they existed itself. They're like, everybody, like even in my college, I have not seen a lot of people wearing skinny jeans. It's just, I don't know, it's just disappeared. But then yes, you have to see your body type and then wear baggy jeans. I also got one pair of baggy jeans, but then my body type is not really lean or something, so that it can suit me, so I just did not get another one. So yes, that's how you have to like, so just see if it complements your body type and follow the trend, because if you still have skinny jeans, what's wrong with that? Wear it. It was in trend sometime, it will come back in trend, so don't throw it off and just get baggy jeans. Look at what matches with your body type and get outfits like that. So I'll also try to make videos on what kind of, you know, necklines and sleeves and everything suits to what kind of body type, so stay tuned for that. And for that you have to subscribe, by the way. Also, following the trend can also mean like, you know, nowadays the color blocking stuff and everything that's come into picture, that you can follow, because color blocking is really simple. You can color block any kind of thing, but especially coming to baggy jeans, it depends on each other's body type. I'm just talking about such particular trends. So yes, not every trend. Also this trend, like just tying the scarf around, I mean, yeah, you're just gonna understand what do I mean. It does not compliment everybody. Yeah, it just does not. So yes, moving on to the next fashion mistake. I have seen a lot of people wear jeans like this. This was the time when, you know, we used to wear skinny jeans and it used to look like this. It just looked like you're wearing a very huge diaper or something. I don't know, it just... The problem is that jeans, when we buy it, it tends to sit properly, like it fits us properly, but then later on when you wash it and reuse it, it tends to stretch out a little bit and it tends to get loose, and we just don't do anything about it. But you have belts, guys, you can wear belts. If your jeans is made out of a really stretchy kind of material, so you always have one way or the other. This is actually called saggy jeans. Yeah, so this is also a very prominent fashion mistake that I've seen in a lot of people. So yes, also this next fashion mistake, I have done this personally and I'm not gonna do it again because I have realized that it does not look good, and it is wearing shoes for everything. Yes, I used to wear shoes under everything, like if it was skirt, if it was a frock, yeah, even if it was a frock, I used to wear shoes underneath because I don't know, I just did not have like a proper pair of sandals to like complement with everything or something. So I just used to wear shoes because I always used to feel comfortable in shoes. Heels is not even an option for me, like I don't even consider it. I still have heels but I don't wear it often, I don't know, just like that. So yes, I used to like wear shoes under everything. So it's a really common fashion mistake, guys. You guys should never prefer wearing the same thing under every outfit. Like, no, it just does not suit. If you have like a really pretty floral outfit, just go for sandals. If you don't have sandals, just pair normal slippers or slides, but don't go for shoes. It just does not fit well and it just destroys your own look. So just, you know, before like buying an outfit, make sure that you have something proper to pair it up with so that you can, you know, stay balanced. And some of the dresses also look good with shoes, I'm not complaining, but not all the dresses look good with shoes. That's what I'm saying here. And the next fashion mistake that I want to talk about is not wearing jewelry at all. Yes, a lot of people do this. I mean, you just get ready, wear a lot of makeup, and then you just wear earrings, but then you don't accessorize at all. Like, not even a little bit. It's like, you know, just a plain white paper without anything written on it. I don't know, I just feel like that. Because, you know, accessories just elevate your look a little bit. Like, even if they are not like really heavy or really expensive, it's okay. You can just wear something really lightweight and it just looks good. You know, it just adds a little bit of that spark to your outfit. So definitely wear accessories whenever you get ready to go. Like, even if it's little, it does not matter, just wear it. Also, another common fashion mistake is that when people don't match their hairstyle with the outfit. It's me, I still don't do that. I always keep my hair like this. I don't prefer doing hairstyles. I don't know why, but then it's not like a mistake, but then you can just, you know, try different hairstyles with different things if you just don't want to look the same. It depends on you. I don't do it personally, but then yes, you can try changing your hairstyles to get a different look every single time. And yes, moving on to my last fashion mistake that I want to tell you all is wearing clothes with fur or dust on it. I mean, if you have pets at home, they tend to leave a lot of fur behind. Like they leave fur on the sofa, everywhere where you sit. It's just going to stick to your outfit, and then it's just gonna look really dirty. Like you might not even notice because you're just leaning against it or something, but then you have to like take it out of your outfit. It just does not look good. So you can just get these kind of rollers that just, if you roll it on your outfit, all the fur and everything sticks onto it, and then you're ready to go. So yes, you can do that. And one more last and final one I forgot to tell you all. Yes, don't wear dirty shoes. Don't wear dirty shoes. I mean, you're never gonna wear dirty outfits or any dirty earrings with, like, if you have mud on it, you're not gonna wear it, right? So wash your shoes every single day. Like, not every single day, wash your shoes once in a while, because don't wear dirty shoes. Yeah, now I gotta go wash my shoes because you guys are gonna come hit me if you see me wearing dirty shoes. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. These are some of the common fashion mistakes that we all tend to do. I'll also think of some more if I find out, and I'll let you guys know. Till then, like this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.